How to change phone number in your Amazon Prime Video account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Prime Video app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the phone number in your account, you need to go to the account settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now in this page, at the top right corner, you can see the settings gear icon. Select that. From the settings menu page, choose this My Account option. Now select Manage Account. In order to change the phone number of your account, you need to access the Amazon website. So tap on this Edit on Amazon option. Now you need to sign into your Amazon Prime Video account. After you are logged in, you will see this login and security page. Over here, in order to change your phone number, you can see this primary mobile number section, and right beside that you can see the add option. Tap on it. From here you can add your phone number. First of all, you need to select your country code, choose your country from here, and in this mobile number field, enter your number, and once you are done, you can tap on this continue field. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your phone number of your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.